What is the hardest push-up ever? The Aztec push-up is often considered one of the more challenging variations of the traditional push-up. It requires a combination of strength, flexibility, and balance. Here's how you can perform an Aztec push-up. Starting position. Begin in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Downward face. Lower your chest towards the floor while keeping your body straight. Twist. As you push back up, rotate your body to one side, lifting one arm off the ground and extending it towards the ceiling. Your body should form a T shape at the top of the push-up. Return. Bring the lifted arm back down to the floor as you lower yourself for the next push-up. Repeat the push-up, but this time rotate to the opposite side. This push-up variation adds a rotational element, requiring additional core strength and stability. The Aztec push-up is advanced and may not be suitable for beginners. It's important to have a strong foundation in traditional push-ups and overall upper body strength. Before attempting more challenging variations like this one, remember to perform exercises with proper form to reduce the risk of injury. If you're unsure about whether a particular exercise is suitable for you, consider consulting with a fitness professional or a healthcare provider. Additionally, always warm up before attempting challenging exercises and progress gradually to more difficult variations.